Well, you know, what do you think?
Well, it's like if someone could put that much effort and energy to, mind you, but something that kind of matters a little bit more than getting your 13th piece of fish, he could put his mind to a bunch of other things besides doing that. I don't know.
Well, he's got a tab there. So at first
Yeah.
I'm like, if there's no limit, if it doesn't say there's a limit, then give him the fish. But he also has a tab there that he owes, so I'm sure that kind of weighed into their
Something tells me this
deciding
is not
factor.
his first time.
Wade
doing
in.
this.
Ah, I love the pun there. Hey, how big is this guy? 300 and what is it?
6'6", 350.
6'6", 350. That's a lot of fish,
That
Jared.
is 6'6", though. I mean,
That's a lot of cod, right, guys? Well, anyways, it's our morning talker of the day. We posted it on our website. There's the picture of Chuck's right there. And, you know, you kind of feel for this guy a little bit, but he does have a tab, so you can kind of see where the conversation's going to swing in both directions. So speaking of the conversation, we got some funny jokes on our Facebook page. We'll start.
Smells fishy,
We'll start with some funny ones and go into some more serious ones. Here's Pat Robinson. Smells fishy to me. Yeah, ha ha. You know, but Tracy, regardless of his eating habits or appetite, the buffet is supposed to be all you can eat.
Yeah.
It should honor its claim, though 12 trips seems impossible. Just to
12,
clarify here,
12.
I don't necessarily think it was 12 trips. I think it was 12 pieces of fish.
Oh, all right, all right.
And, you know, according to the package, he said us, so he might have been getting it for some other people too. But then we got to kind of iron out these details. And then getting into some more serious ones, you know, James's place makes no sense. For every person like the guy they turned away, there's 20 people who only grab one plate, and that's it. I think if you're going to advertise all you can eat, you should be forced to honor that policy. And then Pamela makes the comment that Liz made. He has a running tab. What restaurant does that? Which is that is the most interesting thing.
Right.
When I first saw
Who
this
does
story, I
that?
was like, is this guy at a bar? And, you know, he keeps, you know, putting drinks on his tab. It's a little interesting, and maybe we'll have a resolution to the story. I don't know, guys.
Yeah.
they might have like an account set up, because I remember the restaurant I worked at, they would have accounts and they would just sign their names and they would pay it off eventually. But
Yeah.
maybe he's still.
Oh, we always had regulars that had tabs, but regulars that we liked.
Right.
I mean, this guy, I have a feeling, is not too popular with
But he
waitress.
called the cops and he had a sign and all that stuff over the 13th piece.
That's what I'm saying. If he
Fish?
could at least put his mind to
sounds-
something else in this world besides his fish,
It
that'd be
sounds like
great.
a story, remember, from McDonald's when they got the order wrong and the woman called the cops. Like, if I did that every time my order was wrong,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cops would be there all the
be
time.
calling all the time.
Thanks for wasting our taxpayer money. Oh, jeez.